So now we have to digest another property which is named as King's rule. So in this question, what will happen? You will be having limit from a to b f of x dx. Now, suppose that you have definite integration and your brain is not braining. Okay, so what you have to do in those situations? Just ignore everything else and apply this property. Your question will be resolved. You have to write a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Done. This thing you have to do and your problem will be resolved. This is the super most important question that you will be using. You will not be using, you will be exploiting this property a lot. Okay, so with example I'll explain you. Suppose we have this question to integrate. So we have this as I, and look at this. We are not getting idea that what we have to take as z, which replacement I should apply. So what I will do, I will apply King's rule. Okay. So who is I? It is from 50 to 100. So a plus b will become 150. So it will become ln 150 minus x. The denominator will become ln 150 minus x plus ln 150 minus 150 plus x and then dx. So this thing gone. So if you will observe your equation 1 and equation 2, you will find that denominator is same. So and the limit is also same. So can we add both the functions? So we will be having 2 times I. Wait a moment. We will be having 2 times I, limit from 50 to 100, and then denominator is same, so we will be writing ln x plus ln 150 minus x. Both denominator is same, so we have numerator as ln x plus ln 150 minus x dx. So this thing gone, we are left with 1. So integration of 1 will become what? X. Now you have to apply the limit. Upper limit is 100, lower limit is 50. So 100 minus 50 is 50. So you have 2i as 50. Therefore the value of I will become 25. So this way you will be solving the questions. I hope you got the idea and you guys can apply the similar property to like ugly type of questions. Okay.